And the rice is done. So we'll turn off the heat. Open the container. Look at all that. It's goodness, right? Give it a nice stir. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. Okay. See if I can pull this off like the famous chefs on TV. This is really hot. Safety first. And it's nice and rich and creamy. Can you see that? With the flecks of cumin in there? It's good stuff. Take a bite. Oh my goodness. It's good stuff. Give it a try. Thanks, NASPA.